Dear students, yesterday we discussed how Charlie reached at the third level of Grand Central Station. And how was the third level at Grand Central Station? Actually, the third level was quite smaller. There were fewer ticket windows and train gates, and the information booth, as I described you earlier, in the center was made of wood, and it was of old looking, you can say. Okay, and the man who was sitting there on the booth, he was also wearing a green eye shade and long black sleeve protectors, and the lights were very dim and sort of flickering also. Today we will continue from here, and that was that I left the same way I came. We were discussing about that he went to the clerk and he started talking to the clerk for having two tickets, one for him and another for his wife Louisa, because he was very eager to escape from the modern world. He was very excited to go there to Galesburg by choosing the third level at Grand Central Station. And now look at here, and that was that I left the same way I came, because he was not able to change his currency there. He was not able to buy two tickets. So I left the same way I came. जिस रास्ते से वो वहाँ एंटर करा था उसी रास्ते से वो वापस चला गया. I suppose next day during lunch hour. Next day, because as I described you earlier that he was very excited to go to Galesburg. He was very excited to go to the third level at Grand Central Station once again. So during lunch hour, I drew $300 out of the bank. First of all, he took out $300 out of the bank, nearly all we had, and bought old style currency. Okay, first of all, because he was, as I described you, that he was very excited to go there. He was very excited to find the third level once again. So he bought old currency, old style currency. You can buy old money at almost any coin dealer. आप किसी ये old currency हम कहीं से भी change करा सकते हैं, किसी भी any coin dealer से, but you have to pay a premium for that. My $300 bought less than 200 in old style bills. First of all, he went there to change his currency, and his $300 were equal to less than 200 in old style bills, because money क्या थी, जो old style currency थी उससे old style currency से उसको $300 के बदले में कितने ही मिले, only $200. But I didn't care. Charlie was saying that he didn't care at all, because things were very cheap there. चीज़ें वहाँ पर बहुत सस्ती थी. And he gave the example of eggs, that eggs were only 13 cents a dozen in 1894. When he reached at the third level of Grand Central Station, he confirmed about the some things, and he was confirmed about the eggs, that eggs were only 13 cents a dozen in 1894. Things were very cheap there. But I have never found the corridor that leads to the third level at Grand Central Station. First of all, look at here, beta, that he had never again found the corridor that leads to the third level at Grand Central Station. He was not able to find the same way which was going to lead the third level at Grand Central Station. It means he was very eager to find the way to the third level, but he never found it again. कभी भी उसको दोबारा वो रास्ता नहीं मिला. Although I have tried often enough. मैंने बहुत बार ट्राई किया. My wife Louisa, she was very pretty worried about me. क्यों हैरान हो रही थी? When I told her all this, means when I described her about the same corridor which lead to the third level at Grand Central Station, and he described that he was not going to find the same way again. So my wife Louisa, she was pretty worried and didn't want me to look for the third level anymore. My wife Louisa, she didn't want me to look for the third level anymore, that she did not want me to go there to find the third level once again. And after a while, I stopped too. मैंने भी क्या कर दिया, उसको वहीं पर रोक दिया. I never went back to find the third level again. I went back to my stamps. As I told you before that he was fond of collecting stamps. So he went back to his hobby once again for stamp collecting. But now we are both looking every weekend because now we have proof that the third level is still there. Means now they have proof that the third level is there. They were both very excited. They go there to find out the third level. One of his friend, my friend Sam Winner, disappeared. What happened to him? His friend Sam suddenly disappeared. Nobody knew where. किसी को नहीं पता that where he had gone. But I sort of suspected because Sam is a city boy. मुझे थोड़ा सा डाउट था. और क्या डाउट था? That Sam is a city boy and I used to tell him about Galesburg. मैं हमेशा से ही उसको गेल्सबर्ग के बारे में बताता. And I used to tell him about the third level at Grand Central Station. By using that way, he could go to the Galesburg. I went to school there, but he always said, वो हमेशा क्या बताता, that he liked the sound of the place, and that's where he is all right in 1894. Now Charlie is here saying us that his friend Sam, he suddenly disappeared and he had gone to the third level at Grand Central Station, and now he is there in Galesburg in 1894. Because one night, as look at here beta, that as I told you before, Charlie, who is the protagonist of the chapter, who is the central character of the chapter, and his wife Louisa, and here another character comes, his friend Sam. Because one night fuzzing with my old stamp collection, I found, well, do you know what a first day cover is? One night what happened to him, actually when he was busy there in the stamp collections, I found what he did find there. Well, do you know what a first day cover is? सबसे पहले कि फर्स्ट डे कवर क्या होता है एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है. दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर योर शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. हियर इज आंसर ऑल्सो गिवन. व्हेन अ न्यू स्टैम्प इज इशूड, जब एक न्यू स्टैम्प, आपको मैंने इसके बारे में पहले भी एक्सप्लेन किया था, दैट व्हेन अ न्यू स्टैम्प इज इशूड, स्टैम्प कलेक्टर्स बाय सम एंड यूज देम टू मेल एनवलप्स टू देमसेल्व्स ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट डे ऑफ सेल. क्या करते हैं जो स्टैम्प के फॉन्ड होते हैं, स्टैम्प कलेक्टर्स होते हैं, व्हाट दे डू, दे बाय सम, कुछ स्टैम्प्स को खरीद लेते हैं, एंड यूज़ देम, और उनको कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं, टू मेल एनवलप्स, एनवलप के ऊपर स्टैम्प को लगाकर, और वो एनवलप किसको सेंड कर देते हैं, अपने आप को ही, ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट डे ऑफ सेल. जब न्यू कोई स्टैम्प पब्लिश होती है, ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट डे ऑफ दैट स्टैम्प, वो एक एनवलप ब्लैंक लेकर अपने आप को ही वो लेटर मेल कर देते हैं. एंड द पोस्ट मार्क प्रूव द डेट, और पोस्ट मार्क, क्योंकि पोस्ट मार्क का सिंबल लगा होता है, दैट प्रूव्स द डेट ऑल्सो, मीन्स ऑन द एनवलप डेट इज ऑल्सो मैंशनड. द एनवलप इज कॉल्ड अ फर्स्ट डे कवर, और वो जो एनवलप होता है उसको क्या बोला जाता है, फर्स्ट डे कवर. दे आर नेवर ओपन, कभी नहीं खोला जाता उन एनवलप्स को. यू जस्ट पुट ब्लैंक पेपर इन द एनवलप. बट वट हैपन टू हिम? That night, among my oldest first day covers, I found one that shouldn't have been there. Means one day among my old first day covers, जितने भी old first day covers उसके रखे हुए थे, I found one. मैंने एक ऐसे एनवलप को वहाँ देखा that shouldn't have been there, जिसको वहाँ पर नहीं होना चाहिए था. But there it was. It was there because someone had mailed it to my grandfather at his home in Galesburg. Why it was there? Why the envelope was there? Because someone had mailed it. And to where? To my grandfather at his home in Galesburg, as per the address on the envelope said. And it had been there since July 18, 1894. As I described you earlier, the postmark proves the date. So the date mentioned there on the envelope was July 18, 1894. As the postmark showed that. But I didn't remember it at all. मुझे अभी भी वो याद नहीं आ रहा उस एनवलप के बारे में. The stamp was a 6 cent. स्टैम्प जो उस पर यूज़ की गई थी वो कितने की थी? 6 सेंट की. डल कलर्ड ब्राउन विद अ पिक्चर ऑफ प्रेजिडेंट गारफील्ड. प्रेजिडेंट गारफील्ड मीन्स बहुत पुरानी 1894 की स्टैम्प थी. Naturally, when the envelope came to grandfather in the mail, जब वो एनवलप ग्रैंडफादर के पास मेल के थ्रू आया होगा, इट डायरेक्टली वेंट राइट इनटू हिज कलेक्शन एंड स्टेड देयर. तो ग्रैंडफादर ने क्या किया होगा, वो डायरेक्टली कहाँ चली गई, उनकी कलेक्शन में, एंड इट स्टेड देयर टिल आई टुक इट आउट एंड ओपनड इट. जब तक कि मैंने उसे नहीं खोला और जब तक कि मैंने उसे ओपन नहीं किया. मीन्स फर्स्ट डे कवर्स में जितने भी एनवलप्स होते हैं उनके अंदर ब्लैंक पेपर होता था, बट द पेपर इनसाइड दिस एनवलप, जो ये एनवलप था इस पेपर में, वो पेपर वॉजंट ब्लैंक, वो पेपर ब्लैंक नहीं था. इट वॉज द लेटर सेंट बाय समवन. नाउ as you can see here in the box, these are the wordings of the letter, and the letter was addressed to Charlie. I got to wishing that you were right, then I got to believing you were right. बार बार उसको कह रहा है that you were right, and Charlie, it is true that I found the third level. The letter was written by someone. Okay, and as you can see here, Charlie, it's true that I found the third letter. जो भी ये लेटर लिख रहा है वो क्या हमें एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है, that he found the third level of Grand Central Station. I have been here for 2 weeks and right now down the street at the Dales. Dale वहाँ पर किसी शॉपकीपर का नेम है, वो बता रहा है that he was, वहीं पर है वो, he was there. And Dale, someone is playing a piano and they all are out, okay, and on the front porch पर वह हैं, and they all were singing like Sing Nelly Home. These are the wordings of song. And I am invited here for a lemonade also, और मुझे वहाँ पर invite किया गया है for lemon drink. Come on back, Charlie and Louisa. Come on, Charlie and Louisa, please come here. Keep looking till you find the third level. Keep continue. Keep looking. जब तक आपको वो third level नहीं मिल जाता, keep try to find it. And it's worth it, believe me. And who was the writer there? The note is signed Sam. Sam, as I described you earlier, Charlie's friend. Okay, Charlie was expecting that Sam was there in 1894. He had been there to Galesburg, and now the envelope which he found there among the oldest first day covers, वहाँ पर उसको मिला, and that paper was not blank. These are the wordings of the letter, and note is signed Sam. At the stamp and coin store I go to, अब वो वहाँ पर गया coin store पर. I found that Sam bought $800 worth of old style currency. Means because Charlie was suspecting, he had a doubt that Sam had already gone there. So he went to stamp and coin store, and at that time he found out that Sam bought $800 worth of old style currency. That ought to set him up in a nice little hay, feed and grain business. Means in 1894 वो अब नया अपना कोई बिजनेस ट्राई करेगा वहाँ पर. ओके, अच्छी मीन्स अच्छा जो अच्छी हे फीड करेगा और ग्रेन का बिजनेस वहाँ पर एस्टेब्लिश करेगा अपना. ही ऑलवेज सेड दैट्स व्हाट ही रियली विश्ड ही कुड डू, और वो हमेशा से ही मुझे बताया करता था दैट ही रियली विश्ड ही कुड डू, कि वो इस तरह का बिजनेस करना चाहता था. एंड ही सर्टेनली कांट गो बैक टू हिज ओल्ड बिजनेस, और वो अपने ओल्ड बिजनेस में वापस नहीं जा सकता. Not in Galesburg, Illinois in 1894, his old business. क्यों नहीं जा सकता था वो अपने old business में? Because why? Sam was my psychiatrist. Actually, who was Sam? Sam was Charlie's friend whom he had been describing about the story of the third level at Grand Central Station. And where was Sam found? Sam, who was found as a psychiatrist, he had himself there to Galesburg in 1894, and that's why in the very last of the chapter it is here described that he can't choose, he can't go back to his old business because he was a psychiatrist and he cannot continue the same profession there in 1894 in Galesburg. Okay, so in the very last of the chapter we can say that life in modern world is full of insecurities, fear, war and stress. Okay, and we can also say that there was actually no third level at all, because the third level was a medium of escape for Charlie. It was merely a psychological shift in time and space, and one way to overcome them is facing the realities of the world bravely and overcome them. And the other way means हमारे पास दो ही रास्ते हैं. एक तो ये कि हम अगर जो हम इनसिक्योरिटीज़, फियर, वॉर, स्ट्रेस को फेस कर रहे हैं, इन सभी को हम ब्रेवली फेस करें और उन सभी प्रॉब्लम्स को ओवरकम करें. और सेकेंड वे क्या है? द सेकेंड वे इज़ टू लिव इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ आवर ओन इमेजिनेशन. हम अपनी ही इमेजिनेशन की दुनिया में रहें. ओके, सो दस एवरीवन एस्केप्स इन हिज ओन पेक्युलर वे. सभी के पास इनसिक्योरिटीज़, डलनेस को, फियर से बाहर निकलने का हर किसी का अपना तरीका है, एज चार्ली हैज़ डन इन दिस चैप्टर. सो द थर्ड लेवल वॉज ऑफ कोर्स अ मीडियम ऑफ एस्केप फॉर चार्ली. वो क्या था? उसके लिए एक एस्केप था. ओके, इट वॉज नॉट एक्चुअली इट वॉज नॉट, देयर वॉज नो थर्ड लेवल एट ऑल. ओके, सिर्फ ये क्या था? एक टाइम, इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टाइम एंड स्पेस वॉज देयर. क्लियर? नाउ दिस इज इट. टुमारो वी विल कंटिन्यू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. थैंक यू.